All right, guys, you're welcome to question 46, another problem on differentiation. It says differentiate sine x minus x cos x. Okay, to get started, I would say let y be equal to all of this quantity. So I have y is equal to sine x minus x cos x. Yeah, this is really straightforward, right? So now we want to differentiate y with respect to x because you can see y is expressed as a function of x. So that means it makes sense to differentiate y with respect to x. So let us see how we can go about it. So when you differentiate sine x, what do you get? You get cos x. And this other function here is a product of two functions. So if you want to differentiate this one, you have to apply your product rule, right? So differentiating x cos x is not as the same as differentiating sine x. This one is really straightforward. So here we are applying the product rule. So let us do it. But remember, you can observe, I'm putting every of this stuff in bracket because of the negative sign here. So whatever we get differentiating this guy, we're going to expand with the negative 1. So let us get started. So if I want to differentiate this guy, I'll assume x to be my u and cos x to be my v. So now I will hold the x, which is like my u. I will differentiate cos x, which is v. So when I differentiate cos x, I'll get minus sine x. Then plus, this time I will hold the cos x and now differentiate the u, which is x. When you differentiate x, you just get 1, and that is all. So from here, you have to distribute with this negative guy, and that becomes cos x minus times minus, well, this is actually minus times 1 or whatever you want to call it, but minus going to this parenthesis here becomes positive x sine x, and this other one becomes negative cos x. So from here, you can see clearly that cos x minus cos x is 0. So what we have left is just x sine x. And that is the answer to this problem. And of course, that is option B. So I'm sure this one is straightforward. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find value from this video, kindly share the video to other learners. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now and God bless you.